What's up? What's up? 8 viewers of YouTube and 4 spam bots. So I've done what I normally do, get everything asked about face. I decided just to go out in the countryside, put all my motorcycle gear on, and then video the introduction to what we're doing today. So what we're doing today is we've come up to what is classified as a footpath route from now this little bad boy here, route 2 and you can see that without reflection. This is a 9.1 kilometer, or if you look at the same ME maps on my mobile phone, 8.9. I mean, how can you get 200 meters difference between the two? I don't know, but I'm not going to argue about it. So it's saying 9.1 kilometers as a footpath to this Doi San Compra. So we're going to have a go at it. The only thing I have noticed, it says it's a footpath, but the reason we're here is because, I don't know if you can see out there, but there's 2 concrete paths going there, which means you can drive a vehicle in there. That's why we're going to give it a bash. But then looking at the contour lines down here, don't know how far we're going to get. So the only way we're going to find that out is to try and get. So without much further ado, let's get on and do it. Right, van keys are in there. This is locked. It's actually an exceptionally nice day today. The air is very crisp. I was going to say the sky was completely blue, but then these clouds have popped up. But until now it's been completely blue. My assistant over there is armed with kitchen equipment and ready to go. The bike is tarted up with a couple of new bits of plastic, bling bling, and we got the new tool pack, which means I'm no longer carrying that hunk of plastic down the side there. That's probably going to get us covered in mud more. But all I've got to do now is just hook my phone on, and there are a couple of other little gadgets and things I've played around with. I've got a bit off a Chinese pit bike on here now. Right, that's all that lot on. Minitron's GPX pit bike. I've strapped the number plate on the front there. That gives me a bit more access room in back there, and allows me to fill the bag up with water a bit more than what it carried before. So onwards we go. Load up Intrepid Explorer. Let's go see what we can find. my maps running on here yet, because there was only one path. I didn't think I'd get a choice. It is possible there may have been a choice. So let's just have a look anyway. Switch that off, slide that up a bit, do that. Oh, why is it doing that? That's not go away. Why have all my icons changed colour? What is going on with this now? Why have the icons changed colour? All the green has disappeared off my screen, love. That used to be Maps ME. It's not functioning. What's going on? Alright. Okay, people, it looks like we've had a techno malfunction, so I'll just swear at this a bit and I'll be back.